George Foreman, born on January 10, 1949, in Marshall, Texas, emerged from a challenging upbringing to become a two-time world heavyweight boxing champion and an Olympic gold medalist. His journey from a troubled youth to a boxing legend is a testament to his resilience and determination. Foreman's boxing career is highlighted by his victory over Joe Frazier in 1973, where he claimed the heavyweight title, and his participation in the iconic Rumble in the Jungle against Muhammad Ali in 1974. After a decade-long retirement, Foreman made a remarkable comeback in 1987, culminating in 1994, when at the age of 45, he became the oldest heavyweight champion by defeating Michael Moorer. Beyond boxing, Foreman achieved significant success as an entrepreneur with the George Foreman grill, introduced in 1994. The grill's innovative design, featuring a 10-degree slope to reduce fat, resonated with consumers, leading to over 100 million units sold worldwide. Foreman's endorsement deal granted him 40% of the profits per grill, earning him up to $8 million monthly at the peak of its popularity. In 1999, he sold the rights to use his name for over $130 million, a sum surpassing his boxing earnings. Foreman's personal life was equally remarkable. He was a devoted father to 12 children, including 5 sons, all named George, and 6 daughters. His commitment to family and faith was evident in his role as an ordained minister and his philanthropic efforts within his community. Foreman's transformation from a troubled youth to a global icon serves as an inspiring narrative of redemption and reinvention. George Foreman passed away on March 21, 2025, at the age of 76, leaving behind a legacy that transcends boxing. His life story continues to inspire, reflecting the power of resilience, faith, and the pursuit of one's passions.